Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this Tiktoy or action figure filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. To get this effect, what you have to do, just go to the effect gallery and in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section. What you can do, tap on the search button and here search for Tiktoy. Okay, the first one with 501.9k videos. This is the effect. Tap on it.
You got the bounce.
Okay, this is the effect. You can browse a picture from your camera roll here. So let's browse some picture. Okay, let's go with this one. Okay, wait for it. Okay, awesome. So this is the effect. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery or from the search. What you can do, go to your For You page and here search for Tiktoy filter. Okay, as you can see on the first row, this is the effect Tiktoy. Tap on it. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Okay, or what you can do, you can tap on any of this video. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there. It's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen and you got the effect. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from For You page, what you can do, let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it. You got the filter. So that's it, guys. Likewise, you can get this effect and use this effect. So thanks for watching the video, guys. See you on the next video.